Hi, I'm Steph. I'm currently a second year marine engineering apprentice here at Berthon. We're currently down in the engine room of the 1942 Motor Gun Boat MGB 81. In the last video you saw, the engines were being lowered into MGB 81. We mentioned that the next step would be fabricating brackets the engines and gearboxes would be mounted to. Here you will see the process of how this was carried out. The brackets were fabricated out of 12mm mild steel. With measurements taken and cardboard mock-ups made, we then transferred the mock-ups onto steel and could begin the cutting process. I was given the job of cutting out the steel plates using an oxyacetylene torch. With this being my first time, I had Kev, the engineering foreman, observing. With the weight and the thickness of the metal, it would be impossible to cut on a bandsaw, leaving the options of a plasma cutter or an oxyacetylene torch. Once I had cut all the plates, I then had to grind them smooth and make sure they were square for welding. Once cut and ground back, they were labelled and stamped to identify each bracket when painted. Each plate was tacked together to form the basic shape before being squared up and permanently welded into position. Here we are arc welding, also known as stick welding, as it is best suited for manufacturing and construction and is well suited for heavy metals of 4mm upwards. Thinner sheet metals and alloys are more suited to MIG welding. Due to the weight of the engines and the constant stress and vibrations the brackets are put under, extra strength is needed. Multiple triangular plates are added to the underside of the brackets. Triangular plates are used due to the strength of the shape. They have the ability to bear large loads without deformation. They are considered the strongest shape because a triangular structure subject to strong forces only collapses due to material fatigue and not geometric distortion. Once welded, they will be taken to the paint shop where they will be sprayed in a custom spray booth located in our state-of-the-art paint sheds.